Hey guys, I am Chef Chris and this is Chris and Kai's cooking show, and I am here real quick because I've got to get to the barber. So, we talked about barbecues and what you're going to bring. Well, it's barbecue season, and what I'm planning to bring to my barbecues and my potlucks at work is the beans I made. I made them in a different video with something else, but this is just going to showcase those beans because the people that got to try them said they were the best beans ever, and I was one of those people. I don't eat a ton of baked beans, but I will eat the heck out of these. So, we're going to make a bigger batch. You can see, got the Hey Dude, or Dude Perfect jalapeno bacon pinto beans. I'm going to use 6 of these bad boys. You'll have to forgive me, but I am a little bit of a mess today trying to figure out where things were at the store and not having very good luck. So, I have 6 cans of these beans. These things have the perfect jalapeno flavor and smell in the pinto beans, so they make a great barbecue bean. Now, I've got about 1.3 pounds of bacon. Not sure why I have so much bacon. That's what they gave me. I asked for 1 pound, and I never turn down extra bacon. Let's go ahead and turn this on to low, and then turn the hours up. I've got Baby Ray's. We're switching this recipe up a little bit. We're going to try honey chipotle from Baby Ray's. Just because we can, honestly. Baby Ray's is probably always been one of my favorite barbecue sauces. If I use something, it's usually that's what I'm going at for sure. Never tried this flavor. I usually go with the hot, sweet and hot. All right, so it's also one of those that's kind of hard to get out. So. Yeah, that's got a great smell. I am also going to add some slaps. This is a place in barbecue that's known for, a place in Kansas City that's known for barbecue. Just because I don't think one is enough, we're going to douse it out. Check that out. Got some W sauce. This is Burton's W sauce. I'm going to put about 1 cup of that in there. That's necessary. I'm also out, so it's necessary that I get some more. Got 1 onion chopped up. I wanted to get another onion and get another half an onion in there, but when I went to the store, that's what I forgot. Well, that's how we roll. I have You're Behind Barbecue. I've already doused my bacon with this. This is the green chili. We got 3 or 4 tablespoons of that. Bacon is right where I want it, so I'm honestly going to probably add a little bit more of this. Just because. You'll have to not mind my mess here because I am not prepared, guys. Got to get this done. So, that's where we are at. Gonna get this bacon off. And get it draining. And spill it all over the sink, I suppose. Put that in there. As always, I like to use a paper towel to get the crap out of there. Excuse my language, guys. I am there today. So, we've got 2 minutes to finish this video. Brown sugar, guys. Last time I put 2 cups in, so I've got roughly that much here, so we're just going to use that amount. And I can tell you, that's okay. Except for that big chunk in there. Alright, so all I have left here, guys, is this garlic here. We'll speed up for this part. That's probably not the amount of garlic I want to put in there, but we're just going to do it. We're going to go with it. Alright guys, that has been how to make my new favorite beans. Definitely could use a little more onion, but we're not going to get too upset with that. So, that's it guys. We're going to get out of here. Get the lid rolling. Come back and stir that. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. We'll probably see you tomorrow for a video with Chef Kai. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, sorry guys. Me forgetting the most important part. Bacon. Yeah, that's the kind of day we're having. So we'll get that smushed in there. Yeah. Alright guys. Now, that is where we are at. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys.